All right, so copywriting can make or break your business. Okay, so the thing about copywriting is that you're not going to find a really good copywriter for hire, and the reason is because if they are a really good copywriter, they're going to be doing their own things and making a lot of money doing it. So no matter what business you're in, you're going to need to learn to copyright your own stuff, make it really, really good, and go from there. So let's take a look at this course. I highly recommend it. Let's jump into it. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out. All right, so today I'm going to tell you about Copywriting Secrets. This is a book by Jim Edwards, this guy on screen, and in the unicorn outfit. And he's been a copywriter for 20 or so years. He wrote this book. It's endorsed by Russell Brunson, if you're familiar with Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels, the automation software. And if you go to this website, which I'll put a link in the description, you can get the book. It's only like $8, I think. And then they have an upsell for the audio version. And then once you get through there, they have an upsell for the funnel scripts. Now, this is the actual course that I mentioned. So go through, grab the book, and consider the audio version, and then get the funnel scripts course. So take a look at this quote by Russell Brunson. He says, "Copywriting is what made me rich. It has more impact on how much money you can make with your company than anything else." And actually, Jim Edwards tells a story in this video that he's going over here about how he grew up in this trailer, didn't grow up in this trailer. He lived in this trailer in the 90s while he was trying to get started online. And so it's kind of like, like a Jim Bezos type of thing. But yeah, so it's quite interesting, kind of what he's came from, and he attributes all this to copywriting. So if you're watching this video, you already know that copywriting is a huge part of your business and getting things right. So go over, grab the book, grab the course, and check it out. Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.